Hello guys. Now in this video we'll try to understand ServiceBusClient, ServiceBusSender, ServiceBusReceiver and then ServiceBusProcessor. So first thing, ServiceBusClient. In simple words, understand it as a something through which you will connect your C# code to the Azure Service Bus. Okay. So ServiceBusClient through which you will connect your C# code with Azure Service Bus. And so obviously when we create this Service Bus client, we will need the connection string for that Azure Service Bus, right? So to create Service Bus client, we need connection string for Azure Service Bus. Simple. Now second is ServiceBusSender, and as the name suggests, this is used to send messages to the Azure Service Bus. Okay. And to create Service Bus Sender, we'll need Service Bus Client. So it's created using Service Bus Client. And this Service Bus Client already has that connection string for that Azure Service Bus. But in addition, when we create Service Bus Sender, we need to provide the queue or topic as well to which we will be sending messages. See guys, through Service Bus Client we are already connected to that Azure Service Bus, but within that Azure Service Bus namespace to which queue or topic we will be sending the message, and that we need to provide while creating this Service Bus Sender. So we need to provide queue name or topic name as well. So I say provide. Okay. So simple. Again, Service Bus Sender, it's used to send messages to this queue or topic. Okay. Now Service Bus Receiver. Again, it's as the name suggests, it's used to receive messages. Okay. And again, it's created using Service Bus Client only. That is, this Service Bus Receiver is created using Service Bus Client. And again, we need to provide the queue name from which we will be receiving the messages. But here, when we create a receiver for a topic, instead of providing the topic, we will provide subscription. That is the subscription from that topic from which we will be reading the message. And guys, if you have gone through my earlier video, there we have understood that when we are sending a message to a queue or a topic, the process is same as far as message sending is concerned. But when we are receiving the message from queue, then from queue and receiving the message from topic, it's been different. I mean, receiving a message from queue is equivalent to receiving a message from a subscription within that topic. Okay. So when we are creating a receiver for a queue, we'll simply provide the queue name. But when we are trying to receive a message from the topic, okay, in that case we'll provide, of course we'll provide the topic name as well, but in addition we'll provide the subscription as well within that topic. So it's topic plus subscription. Okay. And finally, this Service Bus Processor. Okay. Now this Service Bus Processor, consider it as a Service Bus Receiver only, but a few additional features. So I will say it's actually receiver plus additional features. For example, with Service Bus Processor, you can create something, a delegate or a function pointer. Okay. So that will keep running and that will execute whenever a new message arrives in the queue or a topic. Okay. So ServiceBusProcessor is receiver plus few additional features. So guys, don't worry if you are not getting it. I just wanted you to become familiar with these concepts, and anyway we are going to see it in action in our upcoming video. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for listening.